City. We are staying in the Chelsea Tower, and after you walk on the Sky Bridge, you take the escalator down, and this is your view you'll get looking into the casino. So we're going to go downstairs and see what else we can get into with the decorations. We are downstairs now. I just took an aerial view of this beautiful tree. We're going to go downstairs. I'll show you where you check in. We are now entering the quarter. Beautiful fountain. We did come in here to eat last Christmas time. We do come down here 2 times a year. One for Christmas to see all the decorations, and then in August to see the air show. It doesn't look like it's quite open yet. This is family style, so when you do come in here and eat, you're going to have a lot of food in front of you. And it is good to have a reservation because they fill up quick. They do have a happy hour. It's Monday through Friday, 3 to 6 at the bar. Oysters, rollatini, spinach, artichoke dip, fried crabs, fried calamari, mussels, and garlic bread palm. So that is during the week, 3 to 6. And this is the entrance. Beautiful. Hi, welcome to Harris. We're coming through the front door. All these pretty decorations for Christmas. This tree here is turning. Then we have the teddy bears. So we're going to be going to all of the casinos here to see who has the best Christmas decorations. We are coming up on the Tipsy Elf Lounge. This is the Eden. And this opens at 7 o'clock tonight, so we'll have to come back. Where do you go? Walk around. So down here we have the poker room, the sports book, the concert venue, and restrooms. Okay, here's a Caesar show. It was Hook. We've seen that before. It's really good. Here's the lounge. See the little elves up there. And look at this tree here. It's pretty neat. It's made of all bottles. Okay, we're back at 7 p.m. They opened. This is the eating lounge. So excited to be here. Check out this tree. I love it. There's a tree of bottles. Whoop, whoop. Here's the bar. And this is the Tipsy Elf bar. We are coming up to the Jingle Bell Bar. It's really cool. Ooh, Ocean's Holiday Village. Let's go see that. Santa's Sweet Shop. see footprints on the ground, but they're going the opposite way. Here is the soup spot. We just left Oceans. We are now on the boardwalk again, walking to the Hard Rock. Yeah.
Over and lift.
We are coming up to Showboat. Here we are at Showboat. This is the home of the new Island Water Park. Restaurant and bar. Okay, now there. Last year when we were here, we saw Santa Claus. And here is an arcade. Oh no, Glen must be hungry. He's taking the hot dog from the man. Okay, so this is a big arcade. And they do have a raceway. So here it is. Island Water Park. Open now. 11 water slides. Blue Cascade Waterfall. For a restaurant, 6 bars. Adult only bliss pool and swim up bar. Alright, let's go. Okay, we're heading on out. Yikes, look at this claw. This is the biggest one I've ever seen. And look at the prizes. They're huge teddy bears. Pizza by the slice. Okay, this is like the third police police vehicle that I've seen on the boardwalk, and that is so encouraging to see. They do have a lot of panhandlers asking you for money or anything that they want. We are going back to the Hard Rock. That's the hotel we're staying at today. And it's right here. You can see the sign. Beach access closed. The waves are coming in. It looks like it's high tide again. Glen and I went on that wheel in the summertime one time. It was so hot, there was no air conditioning in it. And it goes around twice the time that we did it. Okay, and here we are. The Hard Rock has two towers, the north and the south side. We are in the south. Okay, and we are here. Wow, look at the big statues and look at the sky. Everything is beautiful. We have India with pastries, gelato, and here is the front desk area. Beautiful Christmas tree. Of course, the Caesar statue. And book. You go down these escalators. There are Morton's. Over here is the VIP and Nugo, and then Starbucks. And here's the front desk. The bellman stand is right over off to the side, and valet and buses. And we just got dropped off by the Uber, and look at the sunset. Okay, off to fly home to Orlando. Thank you for joining us with our trip. Please, if there's any suggestions, comments, please let me know. And thank you again. All right, see you in a little bit.